Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep informed on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since September 23, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.60. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't performed as anticipated, showing a loss of 0.04% so far. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.01% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently moving within a broad and horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this range. Analyzing the 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 0.95% over the next 3 months, with possible returns fluctuating between negative 7.03% and positive 5.51%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it points to a change of about 24.90% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 2.71% to 34.91%. In terms of price, this translates to a range between $232.51 to $305.41 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock price ended at $226.37 on Wednesday after losing 0.44%. The Apple stock price fell by 0.44% on the last day, Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, from $227.37 to $226.37. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.46%. moving from a day low of $224.03 to a day high of $227.29. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, with a gain of 1.67% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 41 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.23 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $237.23, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 4.58%, or $10.86, below the 52-week high of $237.23, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Billionaire Stephen Cohen's .72 Asset Management has made a significant move by selling a portion of its stake in Amazon while acquiring 1,600,000 shares of Apple. This action signals strong confidence in the tech giant's future. Such substantial investments from prominent investors often generate broader market interest, potentially boosting Apple's stock in the short term. However, concerns are emerging regarding diminishing wait times for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Analysts at UBS interpret this as a sign of muted demand, which could negatively affect Apple's stock price as investor sentiment may become cautious, raising questions about sales trajectories and potential earnings. Furthermore, Gene Munster from Deepwater Asset Management noted that Apple's recent event emphasized incremental updates in artificial intelligence technology rather than groundbreaking innovations. This reflects a strategic shift but also suggests that Apple might be lagging in a fiercely competitive market. If innovation stagnates, the long-term implications could lead to diminished investor enthusiasm. In this context, market analysts warn that the equity risk premium indicates limited future returns for U.S. stocks, including Apple, raising concerns about valuations. While the introduction of AI-focused features may provide some uplift, overall investor confidence will depend on Apple's ability to distinguish its offerings in a crowded landscape. As Apple navigates these mixed signals, traders and long-term investors alike will need to closely monitor how demand and innovation trends develop in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that New Street assigned Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned Apple a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Apple a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Apple a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple an underweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. If there are corrections downward, support can be expected at $224.97 and $223.09. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals have been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 6, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 9.24%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Yesterday, the volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting closer monitoring of the stock is necessary. A golden star signal was recorded on Wednesday, September 18, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique formation. This combination is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 36 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 101 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 89 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Currently, Apple has established support from accumulated volume at $222.77. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. Overall, the stock exhibits well-controlled movements, and with its robust liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is deemed very low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.26, representing a change of 1.46%. Looking back at the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.88%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively normal PE ratio, typically observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.60. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $227.57. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $222.77. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo conducted an insider sale of 8,706 shares of common stock. On the 9th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo conducted an insider sale of 5,178 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 97,600 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted another insider sale of 2,400 shares of common stock. On the 7th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 4,500 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 32.527. Overall, insiders purchased 1,401,454 shares and sold 2,716,460 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $215.37, reflecting a decline of 4.86%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, contributing to a reduced level of risk. Additionally, we observe a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 50 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are indicating positive trends, suggesting that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of September, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by approximately 473 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $225.90. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.